Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will see the another concept of logical file, which is omit. So in our last session, we discussed about the select criteria and logical file. In this session, mainly we will discuss about the omit criteria. So as we all are now are aware that logical file doesn't contain any data, it is dependent on one physical file, and from there we will try to fetch the data on the basis of some condition. So and in our last session we discussed the selection of the data on the basis of some fields, basis of some kind of comparison, right? Now here we will see the omit criteria. So what is omit criteria and how we can use that? So firstly you have to simply define the logical file, and here you can take F4. Then in a name type you have to specify the record format name, which is same as the physical file record format name, that is empfr. And inside the p file you have to pass the physical file which you want to access. Okay, now after that you have to specify one key field, because on the basis of that key field only we will be able to fetch the data. Now here we are using the omit criteria. So here in name type I am passing O, which means omit. So what it will do, it will compare the record, and if it finds employee ID equals to 5, then it will omit that record. It means it will not select that record, and apart from that all the record will be selected. Okay, so let's compile and see. It is compiled. So let me firstly show you the actual data that we are having in the physical file. So this is the actual data. We are inside the physical file, and here you can see there is one record with employee ID 5. So if we are omitting it, it means it should not show in the logical file. So let's do the run query here. So I'm doing run query, library name Sharmit1 and emplf1. So if I hit enter, so here you can see employee id 5 is not present because we have omitted it. So let's try to do some changes in the logical file. So here instead of eq we will pass lq, and in lq I will pass 3. What it will do, it will not show any record which is lesser than 3. So do compile. Here we have to pass q3, lq3, then no, sorry, not lq3, it should be lt3, means less than 3. And after that you can compile it. So once it is compiled you can do the run query again, run qry sharmit1 and emplf1. So here there is no data which is lesser than 3, right? So this is how we can utilize the omit criteria for not selecting any particular record. So yeah, these are the concept mainly related to the logical file, which is select criteria and omit criteria. So in our last session we discussed about the select criteria, and today we discuss about the omit criteria. So yeah, that's it for today. In upcoming session we will learn few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.